A hot, just minted copper coin is placed in 101 grams of water to cool. The water temperature changes by 8.39 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of the coin changes by 68 degrees Celsius. What is the mass of the coin? Alright, let's look at what we're given. First of all, we have a copper coin, so the specific heat capacity for copper is equal to 387 joules per kilogram Celsius. It's placed in 101 grams of water, so we have mass of water is equal to, let's just go ahead and convert that to 0.101 kilograms. Specific heat capacity for water is 4186 joules per kilogram Celsius. The water temperature changes by 8.39 degrees Celsius, so the change in temperature is given to us of 8.39 degrees Celsius. And the temperature of the coin changes by 68 degrees. So the delta T of the coin for copper is by 68 degrees Celsius. What is the mass of the coin? So the mass of copper is equal question mark. Right, MC delta T is equal to MC delta T. The coin is going to lose heat energy, the water is going to gain heat energy, so the heat lost by the copper is equal to the heat gained by the water. And now we can just plug in the numbers. Now we don't have to do the plus or minus here because we don't have to think about the change in temperature. The change in temperatures have already been given to us, so that makes the problem a lot easier. The masses of the copper is unknown. The specific heat capacity is 387. The change in temperature is 68. The mass of the water is 0.101. Specific heat capacity is 4186. Change in temperature is 8.39. All right, and now this is a fairly simple problem. The only thing we have to do is multiply everything on the right through, then divide by everything on the left, and we get what mass is equal to. On the right, we have 0.101 times 4186 times 8.39. That gives us 3547.17. We divide that by 387 times 68. That gives us 26,316. So that's 3547.17 divided by 26,316. 0.13 kilograms. So the mass of the coin is 0.13 kilograms, or you can just write 130 grams. That's a pretty massive coin. A penny has a mass of 2.7 grams, so that's about the size of 50 pennies.